we bought the RGB DDR4 Ram, and this is 3600 megahertz, and this is the bus speed. And basically we want to install two stick, but we have bought the one stick only, so here it is. And this is the RGB light, or whatever you call,
gorgeous.
and hopefully this will looks pretty. I mean, while we will install this on my motherboard, that everything is fine. The build quality is pretty nice and finished, very polished, so hopefully it will supply the proper speed or whatever we need. The RGB looks like this, like a reddish in the top right, and what is this called, purple in the top left. This looks pretty nice, and we can change the color by the software. So I'll have to find out which software it will work, and it will work. So yeah, that's all from today, guys.